Need a QR code but don't know how to create one? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll take you on a quick and exciting journey to create your own QR codes using Inkscape absolutely free. Welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to generate your own QR codes, whether you want to link it to websites, social media platforms, phone numbers, or messaging apps like Telegram. So get Inkscape. If you don't have it, you can download it from the official link in the description or in the comments section below. Let's get started. Now, let's create our QR code. Go to the menu bar, click on Extensions, then navigate to Render, and then Barcode/QR code. Select QR code. A dialog box will pop up. In the test field at the top of the dialog box that appears, you'll see a space where you can input the data you want your QR code to link to. This could be a URL, a phone number, a message, or any other text you wish to encode. Simply type or paste your desired information into this field here. Next, look to the side of the QR mode option. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Bytes Array. This setting allows you to encode a wider range of data types, ensuring your QR code can handle the information you want to include. Once you've made your selection, you're ready to generate your QR code. Simply click on the Live Preview button located here. This will allow you to see a real-time preview of your QR code on the document here. If you want to change the shape of your QR code, click on Shapes and then select Circle. This will modify the corners of your QR code to give it a rounded appearance, like this. However, I personally prefer the original square shape for its clarity and ease of scanning. Choose the shape that best fits you. Next, to change the size of your QR code, look for the square size option on the side. Here, you can adjust the size to your preference by entering a value. Set the size to whatever works best for your design. Once you've chosen the desired size, you're all set to generate your final QR code result. Simply click on the Apply button to create your QR code. It will be inserted into your Inkscape document, ready for you to use. If you want to create a QR code specifically for a phone number, go back to the QR mode option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select only numbers this time. After making the selection, you can enter the phone number in the text field. Click on the Live Preview button again. You can see a real-time preview of your QR code directly in your Inkscape document. Set the size to whatever size you want. And you can invert the QR code by clicking on the Invert QR Code option. This will change the colors of your QR code. Finally, click on the Apply button to create your QR code. Once you do this, it will be inserted into your Inkscape document, ready for you to use. Then click Close to close this tab. You can now select your QR code and change its position. Go to the Layers panel and select your QR code background from the collection. Once selected, you can adjust its QR code background size. Next, return to the Layers panel and select your QR code itself. Here, you can adjust its colors to match your desired aesthetic. Do the same with your second QR code. Since these QR codes is now a vector graphic, you can resize and color it without affecting its quality, allowing you to seamlessly integrate it into your design as you wish. Remember to save or export the file in the format you prefer. And that's it! You've successfully created QR codes in Inkscape. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and follow or subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, happy creating!